Good morning, students. I, Rajat Kumar Srivastava. Today we have discussed subject biology, chapter 6, and the topic is sexual reproduction in flowering plant. We know that all the angiospermic plant have flower. Flower are of two types. One is unisexual and another is bisexual. Bisexual is also called hermaphrodite. Unisexual means the plant contain only single type of flower, that is another male or female. जब किसी प्लांट में एक ही फ्लावर हो, या तो वो मेल फ्लावर हो या फिर वो फीमेल फ्लावर हो, that is called unisexual plant or unisexual flower. But in case of bisexual flower, the flower contain both sexes. Male, this is the symbol of male, and this is the symbol of female. So the hermaphrodite symbol is male and female both are present in the same flower, that is called hermaphrodite flower or bisexual flower. So this is the difference between unisexual flower and bisexual flower. The sexual reproduction is the fusion of male and female gamete. So the plant contain male sex organ. The plant contain male sex organ and female contain female sex organ. So these are the important things for the sexual reproduction in flowering plant. इन सभी चीजों की हम स्टडी करेंगे और इन पे नोट्स बनाते रहेंगे, नोट्स प्रिपेयर करते रहेंगे. नाउ द सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन in the flowering plant of angiospermic flower consists 4 flowering part. The angiosperm flowering plant consists 4 flowering part. This is the pedicel. This is the pedicel. This is the calyx. This is thalamus. This is the ovary, style, stigma, and this is the colored portion. This is the colored portion that is called corolla, and the style contain anther, and this is called stamen. The stamen consists pollen grain. The stamen consists pollen grain. So the 4 part of the flower of angiospermic plant, this is all part of stigma, style, ovary and ovule. This is called gynoecium, and this portion is called androecium. So the flowering plant contain four part. First one is the calyx, second one is the corolla, and third one is the androecium, and fourth one is the gynoecium. So these four part, the flower consists green leafy like structure below the flower of external whole, that is calyx, and the colored portion of the flower is called corolla, and androecium is the male sex organ and gynoecium is the female sex organ. So first is the male sex organ. Male sex organ is the male reproductive organ that is called stamen. Stamen consists anther. Stamen consists anther, connective, and filament. When we cut the TS of anther, they have this type of structure. It consists pollen grain, and pollen grain is the male gamete of the male reproductive organ. And next, female sex organ. Female sex organ. Female sex organ, that is carpel. This is the carpel. This is the stigma, style, and ovary. In the ovary, the ovule is present, and ovule have egg or female gamete. After that, the pollen grain reaches on the stigma and they form the pollen tube and fertilize the egg of the female. This process is called fertilization. The fusion of male and female gamete is called fertilization, and the reaching of pollen grain on the stigma is called pollination. Pollen grain का स्टिग्मा तक पहुंचना pollination कहलाता है, and the pollination is of two types. Pollination is of two types: self pollination, second क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन. मीन्स अगर सेम प्लांट पे पॉलिनेशन हो रहा है तो वो सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन होगा, और अगर डिफरेंट प्लांट पे पॉलन ग्रेन जाके पॉलिनेशन कर रहा है तो वो होगा क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन. सो सी दिस वीडियो लेक्चर. इस वीडियो लेक्चर को हम लोग देखेंगे और इससे नोट्स प्रिपेयर करेंगे.